Have you ever visited a philosophy museum? I bet not, because the first one in the world just opened inside the Milan State University thanks to the work of Anna Ichino, Paolo Spinici and Clotilde Calabi, 3 professors from the philosophy department. Let's meet Anna Ichino to discover more details. Professor Ichino, is this a science museum?
It is like a science museum, but devoted to philosophy. So it is an interactive and dynamic space in which philosophical theories and problems are made accessible to a wide public through a variety of games, experiments, activities, experiences, and so on. So in 2019, we opened the first 2 rooms of this museum devoted to general philosophical problems, like what is philosophy and what are philosophical methods. And now we decided to open 2 new rooms with this exhibition devoted to a more specific theme, which are conspiracy theories and fake news.
For a philosophy teacher, it is important to adapt to the transforming society.
Indeed, this is why for this new exhibition we have chosen the topic of conspiracy theories and fake news, which is a hot and timely topic, but also one that raises important philosophical questions. The key question on which the exhibition focuses is what are cognitive and social mechanisms that make such theories so appealing and widespread. One of the tools we used in the exhibition to address this question is a game that we created in which players have to invent their conspiracy theories and spread them on a social media that we set up for this sake, which is called Glitter, echoing Twitter. Players should follow the instruction we provide in the conspiracy theorist toolkit that teaches them how conspiracy theorists think and argue. Of course, the aim of the game is not to turn people into actual conspiracy theorists, but rather to allow them to better understand the mechanisms that drive such theories, and so to make them better able to recognize and possibly avoid